Alright guys, welcome back to another G Auto Repair YouTube video, and today we are going to be replacing a a door lock actuator on this 2013 Toyota Tundra. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go through the steps and whatnot on how to remove said actuator to replace it. So let's get right into it. First thing we're gonna do is gonna lift up on this, which I already previously done. And again, I haven't done one of these in a while, so it might take me a minute to figure it all out. I think there's gonna be a screw underneath this little carpet thingy. Yep, see it right here. And we also have to remove this from right here. Alright, so we have to also pop this out. This comes right out. And now we go ahead and remove these little screws. Okay. Alright, everything seems pretty loose. Okay. So now we have to Is this a screw back here? Or? No, it's one of these. There you go. There. We're gonna lift up here. Okay. Now gets the fun part here. Alright, so some of this stuff I'm not going to be able to show you because obviously it is in here. And kind of in the way, so. Alright, either way, we're going to be waiting on parts. So before I do any more dismantling, let me wait till I get parts in. And then we'll finish this job here. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're back. We finally got the new part. And here it is. Right here. And I had to reorder it because when I went to use the part that I had ordered, it appeared that the wrong part was in the box, so I had to kind of you know, reorder everything. Alright, so now this is the Some of these things you're not going to be able to see. I think I have to deal with this over here. Just so that I can yeah, so we're gonna put that here. Okay. 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 Alright. Let's see, we're gonna get any other more surprises. Okay. Now I gotta just transfer everything over from here to here. Okay. Okay, so right here, this has to go with this right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Again, this is kind of difficult to record and work at the same time. Go. Okay, so we just gotta make sure that there we go. Okay. 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 So now we're gonna go ahead and stick. Hold on. Okay. 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 Okay, now all I really want to do is just a pre. Okay. 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 Make sure everything works. Beautiful. That's all I need to know. Everything is a-okay. So now we put everything right back together again. Okay. Alright, so now everything goes back together the way it came out. Actually, stand by. Seriously? Wow. Okay. All right, now we put this guy here, and this guy here. Okay, so now you just gotta put this there we go. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. And there we have it. We are done. That is how you replace a power door lock actuator on a 2013 Tundra. And it'll be the same thing on that side and this side, and everything should be relatively similar. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Ciao.